Hey gang, welcome to another Tomboy beauty unboxing video. I'm Amy Harber. Those are all the places you can find me. This is the limited edition Walmart beauty box, the Halloween edition. There were two different boxes. I got this one, not the other one. So let's get into some cool, fun products and help me decide if I want to use one of these products too as well. We'll get into that in just a little bit. So every now and then, Walmart does limited edition boxes, usually for Halloween or like the Oscars or stuff like that, or a holiday box. This one was a Halloween box. They usually cost a little more. Normally the Walmart box is like $5 and it's like quarterly. These usually cost like a little more. I think this one might have cost 10. So anyway, as always, it comes with a little thing. Only in this case, everything you see here is everything that's in the box. Whereas the seasonal ones, it'll give you whole ones and be like, hey, 5 of these products you will have. So we have Neutrogena makeup remover wipe. You got like one wipe in here. Yeah, single use. You can actually get whole packs of like single use ones. So there's that. I find with the single use, it keeps them from drying out, because usually if I get a pack of these, by the time I get down to the bottom, they've dried out from being open and close, open and close, open and close. None of that there. Then we have hard candy. Let's see here. Hard candy. Stroke of Gorgeous liquid eyeliner. I'm going to attempt this. It could be a hot mess. If it is, I don't know. Laugh at me in the comments. Everybody else does sometimes. If I can even get it open. Ah, there we go. Okay, so looks can be deceiving. I thought it was going to be pink. Apparently it's not. Okay. I'm not attempting to do a cat eye because it will fail miserably. Anyway, goes on pretty smooth there. I am a little disappointed. I thought it was going to be pink. I was all excited there. So disappointed. Looks can be deceiving. Then we have what I want you to help me decide if I want to keep or put in the giveaway pile. It is hair chalk. It is Midnight Blue. Basically you rub it over the part of the hair that you want to be blue. I don't think blue is my color for hair. I like peach and gold and bright reds. So I'm thinking that maybe, just maybe, it's going to go in the giveaway pile. So I am going to have some giveaways coming up. So make sure that you are subscribed to both here and Instagram. So that is that. We'll see. I'll decide. Anyway, then we have Milani Strobe Light Liquid Highlighter. Let's just, ooh, that's interesting. Ooh, that's cool. Look at that. Okay, just a little bit. That was cool. Admit it, you thought that was cool. Okay. I found with liquid highlighter, a little goes a long way. Use your fingers. Kevin Aquan did. Some people are like losing their shit right now because I'm using my fingers on my skin, but like I said, Kevin Aquan did. Why can't I? Then we have NYX Shout Loud Satin Lipstick. NYX Cosmetics. There you go. Ooh, that is loud. Okay, we're going to try this here. That is a loud red. I am all for it. I love loud red lipsticks. Okay. Like I said, I'm not good at putting makeup on in a camera. Let's see how bad I did. Yeah, pretty good. I'll live. Then we have SinfulColors Professional Nail Polish. It's also in red, you know, for those vampy looks during Halloween. And finally, Revlon Colorstay 16-hour eyeshadow. I don't know why they still include these. Like, I get a total 80s vibe from these. But you know what? We're going to use it. Let's see what we can do with it. Here we go. There we go. There's some other colors there too. Here. I'll just... a little bit there. I've already got eyeshadow on, so probably won't matter that much. Anyway, there you go. That is the wonderful Halloween box. Trick or treat. This was definitely a treat. And you know where to follow me. I don't know where my sign is, but there's going to be probably a box here. Like, subscribe, do all that other cool stuff. Until next time, stay beautiful.